Hey guys, on this episode of Project Chucky, we loaded it up on the trailer. We came up here to South Georgia Motorsports Park and we are racing Mod Motor Nationals. Chucky just got done with tech. We are going to be racing an open comp and I'm going to be racing this car for the first time and let's see how many rounds I can go. All right, it's raining right now, so we got to wait for the skies to clear up, the track to dry up, and then first thing in the morning we're going to light it up and let VMP let it rip. We're number 27. It's my lucky number. See if we can go some rounds. Headed back to the VMP headquarters, aka the Death Star, and gotta wait for the lanes to dry up. We're gonna start racing tomorrow. I haven't made a pass in this car yet. Kind of excited, a little nervous. It's gonna be nice and slow, so I'm not too worried about it. And let's see what I can do with the old Chucky. All right guys, it's day 2 at Mod Motor Nationals. The rain has subsided. We are drying the track off. We're getting ready to start. Just got my tune from Matt Karate Casati. Just finished loading. And we are going to be throwing in Mustain's new shot. We're gonna load it into the car, make sure that everything looks good. And then we're gonna go do our first and second qualifying passes. Alright guys, qualifying number 1, heading over to the lanes right now. They just called open comp to 1 and 2. I'm going to get over there, want to do a nice consistent burnout and make a good clean A to B pass. If I can do that, I can stay consistent, we can go rounds. Definitely gotta scoot the seat up. On the hit, it knocked me backwards quite a bit. I definitely pedaled it not on purpose. It went 11.80. I think this is the fastest it's ever been in NA, and I definitely lifted a little bit on the hit. So I bet it's got 11.69, low 11.70s in it for sure. Chucky's broke. Chucky's real broke. I gotta figure out, I want Matt to look at the log. Chucky broke. Chucky not happy. Alright, they're pulling us forward. We are going into the first round of eliminations. I'd really like to get a win here. We had some issues with Chucky in the second round of qualifying, but we've got them all ironed out. Matt helped me out a little bit with some of the tuning stuff, and we're just trying to not go too fast because that is not the name of this game. Just want to keep going rounds and see if we can cash out and make some money in Chucky. We've been throwing plenty of money at Chucky. It's time for Chucky to pay us back. Okay, so just got done with the first elimination round of Chucky. Unfortunately, I did get knocked out. A lot of that comes to not a lot of experiences, bracket racing stuff. This is my first attempt at this. Definitely say I didn't enjoy it. I don't like the whole cat and mouse game that was being played. I like a lot of heads-up racing, and that's definitely is not that. I lost by 2/100ths of a second, so you know, could have been worse. But you know, Chucky didn't pay out like he was supposed to, but he was fairly consistent all weekend. We're happy about that. We had one mishap. Chucky's not broken, so all in all, everything's going to be okay. Chucky's going to make it back to Orlando, and we'll make some more test passes. Chucky went faster than he's ever been on nitrous or on motor, so that's cool too. So we definitely enjoyed the cool air, the nicer DAs. As the track started to heat up and it got a little warmer outside, he started slowing down a little bit. So definitely enjoyed the lower DAs, and you know, we'll be back to fight another fight. As far as Mob Nationals goes, I really like the event. Justin Young put on a really good event. We had crappy weather Friday, crappy weather on Saturday, but Sunday everybody put their butt in gear, and there was constantly racing going on. The only downtime was more prep, and you know, that's why we all come out here, is the absolutely amazing track prep that Justin pays these guys over here at South Georgia Motorsports Park to put down. It was really incredible. We've seen a lot of cars go in their personal best. Like I said, Chucky included on 2 separate occasions. Chucky's done bigger wheelies than he's ever done before, so the track prep was really on point, and we just want to thank Justin Young and all the guys over at Mob Motor Mustangs to put on this really awesome event. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, okay? On the next episode of Project Chucky, we're going to put some spicy air back in it, and we're going to see if we can continue to go even faster and even faster and even faster, and you know, see if the wheelies can get bigger. That's always fun too. They don't always necessarily equate to faster ETs, but they're always fun to look at, and everybody gets a kick out of big wheelies coming out of these Mustangs, these big heavy Mustangs.